Hi everyone. I just want to apologize because it's my mistake. I said this plant is this plant. I do apologize because I called this plant Pennywort and I said that it's the same as Gotu Kola, or I called this plant Pennywort at the same time called it Gotu Kola, which is because this is not Gotu Kola. Alright, thank you for correcting me. And this is the Gotu Kola actually. I got confused because Pennywort is the general term for these two plants. So I'm sorry, I apologize. Okay, thank you once again for correcting me. Anyway, they are both medicinal plants. Okay, let's not make things complicated. This is the Gotu Kola. Gotu Kola is good for wound healing and for skin health. It is also for cognitive support. Traditionally, it has been used as a brain tonic. It is also, or it has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. And also, it is for circulatory support. Going back to my previous vlog, we should have called this hydrocotyl or just simple as water pennywort. Both have many traditional uses. You should always consult with a qualified health care professional before using it, especially if you have underlying health conditions and or are taking other medications. Well, thank you for watching. Alright, Teenog Kabasanwan, God bless us all.